Hi guys, it's Amanda Renee. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be telling you about the top 6 Camille Rose Naturals products that I will always repurchase. So if you're interested in seeing that video and hearing about the products, definitely keep on watching. So as I said, I am Amanda Renee, and here on this channel, I do all things natural hair, from natural hair product reviews to tutorials, and I am leaning into doing reaction videos to different natural hair topics. So if you're interested in seeing that type of content, definitely consider subscribing and joining the family. I would have gotten this video idea from this creator called Camille J Official. I will link her video down below. And I just thought I should do something similar since I have used a few Camille Rose Naturals products. I really thought that I should say which ones I will always buy. I will always repurchase. So without further ado, let's start off with our first product, which is the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. I don't have this on hand because unfortunately Camille Rose is pretty expensive here where I live. However, I will put a picture on the screen. I absolutely loved everything about it, from the consistency to the smell. It did not have a high smell, but it wasn't unpleasant either. And I also really enjoyed the fact that a little went such a long way. I had my bottle for about 6 months or so, which is a good while for a shampoo, especially if you're one to wash your hair every week or every 2 weeks. I do believe that the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse is worth your money if you do decide to pick it up, and that is honestly something that I would definitely repurchase. Although you have seen two other reviews of two other Camille Rose shampoos, the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse just has my heart. And with that being said, I will move on to the second product, which is the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. I loved everything about it. It reminded me so much of the Almond Joy Twisting Butter, which is going to be an honorable mention. I really did like the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. It really foamed up whenever I used it, so a little went a long way, and it really hydrated my hair. It really brought back my curls whenever I used it. It really elongated my curls, I should say, whenever I used it, and it left my hair feeling extremely soft. Again, it is on the pricier side where I live. However, if I do get my hands on some Camille Rose products, I will definitely be picking up the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. And next on the list, I have the Johnson's Max Conditioner. I honestly thought it was a deep conditioner at first in my review. If you haven't watched that review, I will put the thumbnail on the screen so that you could check it out after this video. But I thought it was a deep conditioner at first. It isn't. It's actually just a conditioner, and I really grew to love it. It was more affordable than some of the other Camille Rose products I would have mentioned, which was kind of ironic, but it was still a good thing. So I really enjoyed the fact that for a conditioner, not a deep conditioner, for a conditioner, where I applied and left it on for 3 to 5 minutes, the amount of moisture that I got from that conditioner was really, really impressive. So I would definitely be repurchasing the Moisture Max conditioner if I do get the chance to. Next on the list, I have here the coconut water leave-in conditioner. Something about that leave-in conditioner drew me to it. I honestly liked the consistency, and I remember using it very often when I had it in my possession, and I really enjoyed the fact that it had so much slip, and the fact that it left my hair feeling hydrated for the 1 to 2 weeks that I would have kept my hairstyle installed. So I really did appreciate that about it. It did last me, to my recollection, about 2 months or so, because I was using it sparingly. I might add as well, a little did go a long way. So I have the habit of wetting my hair whenever I apply a product, so that stretched the product even more. So I really appreciated the coconut water leave-in conditioner. And I have tried another leave-in conditioner from Camille, but the coconut water leave-in conditioner definitely had my heart. Next on my list, I have the guava slip whipped souffle styler. As soon as I tried this product, I absolutely fell in love. I really did fall in love with this. From the smell, some people may complain about the smell because it is a very fragranced product. However, I love everything about it, from the way it made my hair feel to the fact that I don't need a lot of product to also the fact that it gave me great definition. Definitely watch all my videos to see what I'm talking about. And the slip, of course. How can I not forget the slip? Because this is a slip line. I really, really, really am impressed with the slip that this had. So this is definitely something that I can see myself repurchasing over and over again until it no longer serves me. So this is a new fave. This is the spiked honey mousse, and this is actually what I use to achieve this braid out on my hair. Do y'all see the definition? This is day one hair, but some products even on day one have loads of frizz. And do you all see the definition? Again, the definition and the flexibility. They were not lying when they said it was a lightweight styler. And I really, really think that I'm going to continue repurchasing this until it no longer serves me. I loved the fact that I didn't need a lot to go on each section, and I also love my results. So I definitely would repurchase this. Since this is a video talking about all the Camille Rose products that I would repurchase, I really do think that I would repurchase this. A little definitely goes a long way in my estimation, and I think this is going to last me a while. Not 5 months, maybe 4 or 3, depending on how much I use this, but I definitely do enjoy using this product. Again, The definition speaks for itself. And last but not least, my honorable mention, the almond joy twisting butter. From the first time I tried it, I absolutely fell in love with it. I was a little concerned in the beginning about the oily feeling. However, to me and my hair, it does not have an oily residue. I absolutely loved the definition that it gave me each time I used it. I have at least one video on my channel with me using it. Definitely check it out. It will be in the description box. I loved what it did for my hair, and I also enjoyed the fact that a little went a long way. So the twisting butter actually lasted me over 6 months because, as I said, a little went a long way. And I am not someone who is too heavy handed with my products. So I really just enjoyed the Amanjai twisting butter. And as I said, just be mindful that the Camille Rose products that I mentioned are a little pricey where I live. However, if you can definitely get them at a more affordable price, consider it and let me know what you think about them. Because if your thoughts are different, I would love to hear from you. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, like this video if you did enjoy it, subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye bye.